guys, welcome to my first hair video. I'll be trying to recreate this hairstyle. So I bought this chopstick hair wand. It's actually called Chopsticks. Beginning of this year, I think in March or Jan. And me being lazy, I haven't tried it yet. So hopefully this hairstyle turns out good. I have to go for a Christmas Eve dinner. We're going for hot pot later today. So I hope this turns out well, or at least I can salvage it somehow. So let's see. So I'm gonna start off with sectioning my hair. I'm not gonna go super crazy with sectioning. I'll probably just do like 3 or 4 only. I couldn't find hair clips. I know it's somewhere. It's just when you need it, you can't find it, you know? In terms of the hair section for the curling wand, since I haven't tried it out, I do not want to take like small pieces and make it too tight. I'll probably just play around with it to see which one works out the best. Can't forget about these gloves. These curling wand came with the gloves, which is perfect for people who are clumsy like me. I think I'll start off with this much section. I think that should be good. Oh. I think I need to do a bit thinner. This is too thick. Let's try with a thinner one. Oh, if I do this, these small sections, I'll be here forever. I hope I don't lose the daylight. That's too small. I don't want to fry my hair, so I'm going to move on. Let me just try with this much section. Okay, I'm done with this bottom one. So let's whip out the other section now. I worked out after, I think 4 weeks. Yeah, I was on vacation. So I did some strength training yesterday and my arms are very sore. I don't think that this video was the right choice because I'm really struggling over here right now. This is how the curls look like. I think black on black you can't really see the curls well. I'll be right back. I hope you guys can see the curls better now. I couldn't find anything that was pretty light. I don't know why. I was rushing, so I ended up wearing my workout shirt. So now I'm going to do the remaining part. I forgot to show you guys the wand earlier. This is very different than the regular wand. So it does look like a chopstick. No wonder the name is the Chopsticks wand. And this is how my regular wand looks like. That's a very cute bun. So I part my hair this side. So back in Nepal, my mom used to watch a Hindi series called Kasauti Zindagi, and there is a character in that show. She's the main villain, from what I remember. And I remember she always used to have like this kind of curly hair, but not on the front, but on the side. And she used to always twirl whenever she's like planning something bad or whatever outcome she wanted, it actually happened. So the front just reminds me of that character. I think her name was called Komolika, and in the background too there used to be like the music Komolika. That's what it reminds me right now. The back is very hard. It looks like a lot in the back. I missed out. I needed to step away and use my bathroom to separate out the hair further. So if you want to add more volume, you can keep like separating it out. That's what I did. And I probably will be doing it more. One of the things I learned was when I was using this wand, instead of starting it like very close to my scalp, I was starting here, like let's say here, and that's how I typically use my wands. But what I learned for this wand or for this hairstyle is that you should be starting like very close. But overall, I'm very happy with this look. So in this hairstyle, I know her name is Sarah. Sarah did not separate out the curls that much, but I do love this look, so I'll be separating out further. And also I changed my shirt again. I was just wearing my workout shirt earlier. And once you're done, just use some kind of an oil. I'm using the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil. I use this on a daily basis. My ends are very dry. I feel like I'll be doing this throughout the night. I love the volume, and plus it's fun as well. Bigger the better, you know? Too hot to drop. And this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you have an Instagram, my name is Style with Tisha. I would love to see you guys there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I forgot to mention, don't forget to put the, what's it called? So now I'm, oh wow, what happened to this one? Get the better, you know? Ow.